Hello. Let's learn and draw some 2D shapes. Triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon, square, triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon, square. Let's learn some colors. French vermilion color, pastel yellow color, vivid green color, rose red color, carmine color, vivid pink color, French vermilion color, pastel yellow color, vivid green color, rose red color, carmine color, vivid pink color. Like, share, subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.